Good morning, everyone. My topic is Legal Service Authorities and Justice amid COVID 19. Plato says justice in the life and conduct of the state is possible only as first it resides in the hearts and souls of the citizens. We know December 2019 witnessed the outbreak of one of the deadliest viruses ever when China reported some cases of unusual pneumonia to the World Health Organization. The virus remained unknown for a brief period of time, but it spread rampantly across the Europe and Asia in the months of January and February. Slowly, it moved towards the United States, putting the whole world under the lockdown. The epicenter of this virus was identified to be in Wuhan, China. WHO declared a public health emergency of international concern and named the virus COVID-19. India witnessed its first case of COVID-19 on January 30. In order to curb the spread of this virus, the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, announced a nationwide lockdown for 21 days on March 24. The lockdown was later extended until May 3 by the Prime Minister on April 14. Today we discuss about how the legal services authorities are ensuring a provision of legal aid and basic amenities across India. The Constitution of India promotes and upholds the importance of equality in society. Various articles of the Constitution promotes welfare of the poor and of those who are in need of justice and care. Article 39A of the Constitution provides for free legal aid to the poor and weaker sections of the society. The article mandates the economic or any other disability should not hinder the opportunity of anyone to access justice and legal remedies. There are so many legal service authorities which defined under the Legal Service Authorities Act 1987. For example, National Legal Service Authorities, State Legal Service Authorities, District Legal Service Authorities, and so on. This pandemic and resultant lockdown have caused a greater deal of misery to the poor and underprivileged sections of the society. From food to basic survival necessities, they took the worst hit out of all. National Legal Service Authorities in this situation of grave urgency responded to address the concern of poor and weaker sections of the society. Central Authority issued an order directing the state legal service authorities to assist and provide legal aid to those in need of it. In many countries like South Africa and Kenya, legal services are categorized as essential services so that they can be provided to the people of the country seamlessly. Experts have suggested that people in prison are kept in close contact with each other. So states should consider releasing prisoners to reduce the possibilities of coronavirus outbreak. In India, the Supreme Court, the apex court of the country, ordered state governments to consider releasing some prisoners on parole to reduce overcrowding in prisons. The high-powered committee of each state issued guidelines with the help of state legal service authorities on who can be allowed to leave prison on bail or on what categories of prisoners will stay in jail. Delhi State Legal Service Authorities organized camps for distribution of food packets, pulses, rices and similar items to the poor people across its region. One of the recurring issues throughout the initial phase of lockdown was the increase in domestic violence incidents. To address the issue, National Legal Service Authorities requested all state legal service authorities to coordinate with the one-stop center that was set up by the Ministry of Child and Women. The paralegals and volunteers will assist the victims with legal aid by filing cases, filing affidavits and informing them about their rights. Additionally, helpline number 181 was issued to provide women with assistance and legal aid. The district legal service Service Authority of Chandigarh appointed two lawyers, Manjeet Kaur and Anchal Thakur, to provide legal aid and to support with the one-stop center. The State Legal Service Authority of Chandigarh is also providing food and rations to the needy. The State Legal Service Authority of Kashmir has requested the State Legal Service Authority Chandigarh to provide food to its 15 migrant workers who are stuck in Chandigarh. Similarly, the State Legal Service Authority of Mizoram requested State Legal Service Authority Chandigarh to provide relief to 120 students from Mizoram who are stranded in Naya Gaon. So there are just some of the initiatives taken by the government and the legal service authorities to ensure justice and assist people in sustaining human life. Louis D. Brandeis rightly said, if we desire respect for the law, we must first make the law respectable. Thank you and have a nice day.